Coloring Coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists! Can you guess what we're going to draw and color today? I'll give you some clues. It has 4 big wheels, it's super strong, and it has a big hook or a flat platform on the back. You might see it driving down the road, rescuing cars that can't move on their own. Sometimes, it even has flashing lights, and when it backs up, it goes beep, beep, beep. Have you guessed it yet? That's right, it's a tow truck. And today, we're going to use our imagination to create the most amazing tow truck ever. Tow trucks are like superheroes for vehicles. When a car breaks down, gets stuck in the mud, or has a flat tire, the tow truck comes to save the day. It's like having a big, strong friend who can lift and carry cars safely. Some tow trucks have long flatbeds, called slide trucks, that cars can roll onto. Others have big metal arms with hooks and cables to pull cars out of tricky spots. And did you know? There are even monster-sized tow trucks that can rescue huge buses or giant trucks. Wow! As you start coloring your tow truck, think about all the cool parts it might have. You can add shiny headlights, huge tires, mirrors, and even extra tools on the sides. Maybe your tow truck has a big strong bumper to push things, or a bright light bar on the roof to warn other cars. And here's the fun part. You don't have to stick to real-life colors. Who says tow trucks can't be purple with green stripes? Or pink with gold sparkles? This is your creation, so it can look however you want.
Black.
Fun fact, the very first tow truck was invented more than 100 years ago by a man named Ernest Holmes Sr. He came up with the idea after helping pull a car out of a ditch using just ropes and manpower. It took hours. He thought, there has to be an easier way, and built a truck that could do the job much faster. And just like that, the tow truck was born. Tow trucks don't just rescue cars on city streets. Some work in the countryside, pulling tractors out of muddy fields. Others help in snowy mountains, pulling vehicles free from icy roads. There are even tow trucks that work at racetracks, ready to help if a race car stops in the middle of a race. Imagine how fast those trucks have to move to keep up. If they like the video and want to see more videos, share, subscribe, and tell your friends so we can make more colorful adventures together. Another cool fact, some tow trucks are so strong, they can lift over 100 tons. That's heavier than a blue whale. And in some places,
Yellow.
Tow trucks are painted special colors so they stand out. Bright yellow in one city, bright orange in another. Which color would you choose for yours? As you color, you can even give your tow truck a story. Maybe it's helping a car that's stuck in the desert, or pulling a boat trailer down to the beach, or rescuing a tiny car from a giant puddle. Your tow truck could even be magical. Maybe it can fly over traffic or use rocket boosters to zoom anywhere in seconds. The only limit is your imagination. And remember, your artwork is unique. There's no right or wrong way to do it. Whether your truck is realistic or wild and wacky, it's yours, and that's what makes it special. So take your time, fill it with colors you love, and make it ready for the next big rescue. When you're done, hold it up high and be proud. You just created your very own hero of the road. And who knows, maybe one day, you'll see a real tow truck that looks just like yours. Wouldn't that be amazing?